Okay, Cyber Fright number 21. How do you secure your inbox? Of all risk for the common user, common business, email is going to be your biggest risk. So how do you secure that? Well, I tell you, we take, again, that layered approach, and of which we're going to talk Office 365 because before long, it already is, and before long I think pretty much everyone is going to have moved to Office 365. So the first thing you want to do is you want to use somebody, a third party, not Microsoft, to do what's called advanced threat protection, email protection. We use a company called Barracuda, and basically we pass all of the mail to and from this filter that's out in the cloud. And it is looking at all the links, making sure that there's nothing malicious in that link, looking at the attachments, looking at the intent, the IPs that these addresses came from, and all the like in order to help secure you. It also very easily allows you to send encrypted email. So that's layer one, if you will, and it's by a company called Barracuda. Then you got your product, your Microsoft Azure Office 365 Exchange platform. The next thing is you need to secure that platform. There's a ton of security settings in there that people overlook and they don't do, and you need to secure the back end of that. And then finally, you need to back up your email because, and we use a third party called Cloud Finder to back up our email because most people don't understand that Microsoft does not provide backup for those things. So you need to have a third party, again, it's in a whole different data center backing up your OneDrive, your Exchange, and your SharePoint, and all of those files are now secure. If you've been watching our Cyber Fright tips and you're concerned about the overall security of your company, or maybe you want to know where your risk is and if you're applying your IT budget in the right way, well, you can take us up on what we call a cybersecurity starter pack. And in this cybersecurity starter pack, we're going to come in, we're going to do a dark web scan, we're going to give free phishing email to all of your staff, as well as cybersecurity training. We're also going to take a look at your Office 365 portal and do a network evaluation in order to kind of help you rank your high, medium, and low risk, as well as put together a one-page technology roadmap based on what actions you should be taking to get the most out of your IT budget. In order to take us up on this free cybersecurity starter pack, all you have to do is go to askbis.com/cybersecurity-starter-pack, and we'd be happy to come out and we'll spend some time with you and get it to where you can sleep a little better at night from these cyber criminals.